Kia's investigating noise in the cabin, believe it or not. It's not uncommon for all new vehicles with electric powertrains to experience a few problems with noise because you're not hearing that internal combustion engine as you would hear in regular cars, so you're able to hear every nook and cranny. And this is the first model year, so this is not something catastrophic at all. But when you're in an EV vehicle, you're going to hear everything. Now, Kia's investigating a mysterious high frequency coming from the EV6 at low speeds. And a lot of people seem to be bothered by it. The other day I was going to work at the hospital and I saw an EV6 being charged. And man, I got to say one thing. That thing did look beautiful. The Southern Korean car design is just, I say, South Korean car design is just on point. It's something else. But this is an unusual situation dealing with strange noise. And it says when you're traveling under speeds of 19 miles per hour, slowing down or just going over 6 miles per hour, it emits the strange beeping sound. Somebody said it was lingering in their ear, and the sound made the car a little irritating. Now, some other people complain that they have to keep the music constantly on to avoid hearing the strange noise. It's about 6.3 kilohertz. It's very sensitive to the human ear. It's small noise, but low frequency. It's high because of the ambient noise. It's so low because of being an EV, not hearing all the engine noise. Now, South Korean professor also said something about it too. And that was acoustic engineer professor. So it's just something that, when you first buy an automobile, being the first people out there, you're basically being what they call a beta tester. And so basically, you're going to have to test it. Those people are going to have to test it to make sure that it's riding properly, you could say. But in order to get into the fad, you buy the first model because what? Because you want to feel good. Now, the sound is not deadly. It's not annoying or distracting anybody. It could be a malfunctioning sensor, or it could be battery related. Buzzing. It could also come from the motor. Who knows? But is there noises affecting the Hyundai Ioniq 5? We haven't heard nothing about that. And there's nothing been reported about the Ioniq 5. So I'm just thinking that it must be something else. But I'm sure they'll investigate it. And then when they come out with a newer model, they'll be able to get rid of that strange noise. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. And if you got anything in the comment that you might think that noise is, go ahead and write it down. Thanks for coming by. Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.